Hi y'all, this is Kathy with Design by Kathy. I want to talk to you today about repairing your own jewelry. You don't necessarily have to take your favorite piece to the jewelry shop to get it repaired. And if you, sometimes you're in a hurry and it's your favorite bracelet or favorite earrings. When you find a piece of jewelry like this in two pieces, or an earring with no ear hook, but you have the ear hook, I want to show you how you can fix that yourself at home with just some tools that you probably have laying around your house already. So let me show you how to do that real quick. Okay, what we're going to use for this little repair job is some needle nose pliers. And I'm going to use two pairs of them because that'll just make it a little easier. And everybody has needle nose pliers, so you don't have to run out and buy your jewelry tools just to make a repair. Now, if you're going to be making jewelry for people or to sell, you would want to use the correct tools, because the needle nose pliers, have the little grooves in them that could ultimately damage part of your, damage your furniture, your jewelry. So we don't want to damage it. We just want to repair it. And what I'm going to do, what came apart here is called a jump ring. And as you can see, it has come apart, or I hope you can see, it has come apart right there. It's come apart. So what I want to do is hold the jump ring pretty sturdy right here. I want to hook it through this loop on the bracelet that's here. You just hook it in through it like that. And then my little extender chain that came off, just take the end of it and loop it through as well. Okay, now I want to hold this pretty firmly. I will take my other pair of needle nose pliers and attach it, or grab it rather, right here. Now what you want to do is pull towards you with the one on my left. I'm going to pull towards me. The one on my right, I'm going to go away from me. And if you can see, it pulled them right back in line. And that's what you want them to do, is to be in line. And you'll be able to see the little, where they meet. But as long as that's together, your piece of jewelry is repaired. And it's ready to wear again. Now I have this earring that it has, it already had the little, this is all still attached, but say that my ear wire came off, and you can see that it's bent right here. Okay, all you do for this little repair is take your earring and hold it, and you can see the loop here where your ear wire is going to go. Now what's important here is to put it on the right direction, otherwise you'll wear your earring backwards, and that won't be, you won't be happy with that. So I know that my ear hook, this is the back, and this is the back of my ear hook. So I'm going to slide the ear hook wire over my earring. Then again, I'm going to take my needle nose pliers and grab this little hook. I'm just going to hold this with my hands, and I want to hold it really firm right here at the base of the ear wire. And I want to pull this, get a better grip on it. You have to get a pretty good little grip. These are stainless steel, and they're a little bit harder. Now, I don't know that what yours, it just depends, what you have. This one's pretty hard to do because it is stainless steel. But I'm going to push with this hand, pull with this hand, and pull that ear wire back to where it is completely back in line with the rest of the ear wire. And as you can see now, my earring is on there. In fact, I'm going to give it just one more little tug here. And there you go. So now when I put it on this way, it'll be ready to go. So now those are all set and ready. These are Swarovski crystal, and I will put a link in the comments below. I do make these, and they're gorgeous. There are Swarovski crystal, and I'll put a link should you want to look at them. Now I have this other pair of earrings. The same situation happened to this one as did with my bracelet. My jump ring. This is like a 6mm jump ring. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to grip it firmly right here. attach it here. Now in this case, I'm not going to spread apart the ear wire because I can just hook it right here. Now again, you want to know where the back of your earring is and hook the jump ring back in. Take your other pair of needle nose pliers. And I'm sorry, my hands tend to shake sometimes, but anyway, then get a good grip and you're going to bend them one towards you, one away from you until they match. And when they match back up, your earring is repaired and ready to wear. Who doesn't have needle nose pliers? I have them clearly everywhere. Well, I hope this little snippet of information helped you. I never really gave it a lot of thought. I think when I got back into making jewelry, it was actually a repair that I needed to do. I made jewelry years ago, and life happened and I stopped doing it. But anyway, I had a pair of earrings that I loved to wear and a bracelet that I kind of wore all the time. And that's what happened. My jump ring came apart. Sometimes if it gets tugged on too hard, I'm kind of rough on my jewelry, unfortunately. But anyway, I decided I wanted to repair the little pieces that I happen to like a whole lot. So I fixed them and started making jewelry again. Anyway, you may find that happens with you. You may want to get into just making your own jewelry because it's fun, and it's fun to wear things that you've made and you've created yourself, because you can make it yours and make it personal, and you can do it. I hope this helped you, and please leave a comment, or if you have a question or anything that you may want to know how to repair or something that you may want to do, we'll figure it out together. Thanks for watching.